Dear students, welcome to Bits and Questions in Solar Radiation. In this chapter, the bits, possible bits are like this. The abbreviated form of incoming solar radiation is insolation. From there is a possibility for questions to start. Then, in the processes of transmission of energy, radiation without the presence of the medium, conduction without the movement of the molecules, convection with the actual movement of the molecules. From there the questions start. Then, as far as solar spectrum is concerned, the distribution of solar energy into different bands is known as dash solar spectrum. The energy content of solar spectrum in ultraviolet rays 9%, light part 41%, infrared part 50%. Then, as far as the terminology of solar radiation is concerned, short wave radiation up to 4 microns, long wave radiation 4 to 120 microns. The energy coming from the sun is known as incoming solar radiation. The energy going out from the earth's surface is known as outgoing solar radiation. The difference between the incoming and outgoing solar radiation is known as net radiation. Solar constant, the energy that is falling on a square centimeter or square inch area in between the earth and the sun, okay, at a mean distance is known as solar constant. Presume that I told you in the explanations, energy is coming when it is falling on 1 square centimeter. This is the earth, okay. So calories per centimeter square per minute or Langley per minute. What is the average value? 1.94 to 2 Langley, or it ranges from 1.494 to 2, or otherwise average is 2 Langley per minute. Calories per centimeter square per minute is also known as Langley. Calories per centimeter square Langley. Okay, right. Then, what is a black body? A black body is a perfect radiator and absorber. Then what is black body radiation? The radiant energy emitted by a black body is known as black body radiation. Then, what is the reflectivity? The ratio between the reflected radiation to the incident radiation is known as reflectivity. What is the transmissivity? The radiant energy transmitted, the ratio between the transmitted to the incident is known as transmissivity. What is absorptivity? Absorptivity is the ratio between the absorbed solar radiant energy to the incident solar energy. This is what bits would come in this aspect. Then, what sometimes energy balance, latent heat flux, energy utilized in evapotranspiration, sensible heat flux, energy utilized in heating the air, ground heat flux, energy utilized in heating the ground. One important bit is, of course, possible bit is albedo always, possible always, midterm and final. Albedo is defined as the ratio between the reflected to the incident solar radiation, okay, for snow 75 to 95%, for soils 15 to 25%, average values for albedo. So these are the possible bits. As far as short questions are concerned, short notes, as one possible short notes: solar spectrum, functions of light, what are the physiological response of different bands of incident radiation. So like this, short question possible. What are the big questions? Big questions are: describe in detail about the factors affecting the receipt of solar radiant energy on the earth's surface. Astronomical factors to geographical factors. Then, factors affecting the distribution of solar radiant energy within the plant canopies. That is plant type, age of the leaves, chlorophyll content, arrangement of the leaves, angle of the leaves, like that I told. Okay, these are the things. Sometimes the physiological responses of different bands of incident rate may be given as a big question also. In that case, the 3 bands are converted into 8 band, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First band, thermal effect. Second band, specific elongation effects, like that you should write. Last bands, they have germicidal actions. So these are the possible bits and short questions and big questions in chapter 2, solar radiation. All the best. As I said in the beginning, strong inner motivation will always you take to greater heights. All the best. May God bless you.